In this video, we are going to show you how to create and configure your first campaign. First, you will need to sign in using your admin login information. Once you are in the system, click the Administration tab, and then select the Campaign tab here in the left side menu. Next, in the top right-hand corner, click Create Campaign. A pop-up screen will appear where you can fill out the details of your new campaign. Enter the name of your campaign and a brief description. The callback number will be used by leads to call your company back. It can be dynamically placed in text-to-speech and answering machine messages. You can create a new callback number by selecting Create New. Here, select the company name that you want your campaign to fall under. Under campaign type, we have 7 different dial modes that you can choose from. To learn more about the dial modes, click the Help tab and go to Dashboard. Under Contact Schedule, you can determine when your leads will be contacted. You may use our default customer contact schedule or create your own under Schedules. Caller ID is the number that shows up on the customer's phone when they receive a call. You can use one caller ID for the entire campaign, or you can opt to use regional caller IDs by switching the regional toggle to on. This allows you to use caller IDs local to each state that you call. We recommend using this option because leads are far more likely to answer a call coming in from a local number. Select your regional caller ID list here and click Create to create your new campaign. Once you have created the campaign, you will be sent to the Modify Campaign page where you can further configure your campaign. You may return to this page anytime by clicking the blue pencil icon in the campaign list. It is important to keep in mind that the settings in the Modify Campaign page will change depending on the campaign type that you have selected. For example, you can see that if I change the campaign type to Broadcast, a new tab will appear here at the top of the screen. Many of these settings can also be changed in the dashboard. At the top of the page, you will see the basic settings which you are free to change at any time. You may also set a lead call limit, which you can define under the Compliance tab. Additionally, you can set if your campaign calls are recorded. As needed allows the agent on the call to turn recording on and off. On enables recording but allows selected agents to disable recording from the agent portal. If answering machine detection is enabled, DCDial will detect answering machines and can either hang up that call or leave a message according to your settings. You can select a message recording by clicking on the blue speaker icon or insert a text-to-speech message by clicking this box. If you have set up your campaign to recycle leads, you can tell the system whether it should leave a message each time a lead is dialed by clicking Every Call, or only on the final attempt by clicking Last Call Only. Lastly, select the phone types that you want DCDial to leave messages for. Strategy settings can be changed from the dashboard. To select a hold music for leads that are waiting in a queue, click on the green music note icon and select one of the audio files. Here you can define whether leads marked Do Not Call will be added to this specific campaign's Do Not Call list or to a system-wide list. Adding Do Not Call numbers to a campaign-specific list only will not affect dialing to that number by other campaigns. If you enable this campaign to receive inbound calls, then you can select here which queues you would like your agents to receive calls from. You can configure your queues under the Inbound tab. If you want to learn more about these advanced settings, please refer to the Help tab here at the top of the page or the blue Help tab here on the right-hand side. Finally, click Submit, and you have now created your first campaign.